Ever found yourself tangled in the intricate web of database management? Grappling with the complexities of database creation, expansion, and maintenance can often steer focus away from the crux of project development. But what if there was a way to navigate these challenges with ease and efficiency? Enter BitBlast, a revolutionary database as a service platform designed to streamline your database lifecycle management. With a user-friendly interface, BitBlast minimizes the effort required in database operations, allowing you to channel your energy where it truly matters. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with automated backup and restore features. BitBlast ensures the integrity of your data and facilitates seamless disaster recovery. No more sleepless nights worrying about data loss or corruption. Visibility is key in effective management. BitBlast provides robust monitoring and logging capabilities, empowering you to manage and optimize your databases proactively. Stay one step ahead with real-time insights and analytics at your fingertips. Uninterrupted access to your data is not just a desired feature, it is a necessity. BitBlast guarantees high availability of your databases, ensuring your work continues seamlessly, even in the face of unexpected downtimes or network glitches. BitBlast is more than just a service. It's a transformative experience in the realm of DBaaS. It's about ushering in a new era characterized by simplicity, efficiency, and stress-free database management. So, it's time to make a choice. Continue to grapple with the complexities of traditional database management, or embrace the future of streamlined operations with BitBlast. Today, take that first step towards effortless database management. Experience BitBlast and redefine the way you handle your databases. Your journey towards a simpler, more efficient database management system starts here. Welcome to BitBlast. Welcome to the future of database management.